Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, I will tell you some important tips if your boiler are not on, okay, and your burner start up and after a while, a minute or second off, then you can check some parts like first you can check the control panel, okay, and check the wire inside switches, and also you can check the water level, okay, because if boiler not inside water, then burner will be not start up, okay. So you can check also diesel line, especially filter. You can clean it if it's the dirty, okay, and then you can check your diesel pump is fine. If you see any sound, should be change it. And you see here is some solenoid valve. Check the uh, solenoid valve is working properly, okay, on off, okay. And also servo motor, check it. It is very important because if not rotate servo motor, okay, so then you understand it not working fine. So if is not working, you can change it. So you see here is pressure switches top side. Some boiler have safety also switches, okay. So if safety is on, then you have to check also why not a boiler startup, okay. And also check the low water and high water, okay. This is the you see sensor, okay. And some boiler have a HMI. This is very important because if boiler burner any troubleshooting, okay, so you can check the error inside the HMI. So this is also good. If you don't have HMI, then you can check the control any program, okay. Otherwise you can check the also your diesel tank. This is also very important because should be inside a diesel tank need a diesel, okay. Otherwise burner your not startup. So this is common issue also, flame sensor and burner nozzle, you have to check it, okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.